What's up, Benny?
What's up?
So what you gonna be doing today, man?
Magic trick.
What kind of magic trick?
Card.
All right, so is that some cards?
Yes.
Let's get started.
Hey guys, we're back. Look at her. This ain't no joke. Hey, boy, hey, I got you on video. Whoa.
Is this fun? Is it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Woo. Woo.
Go ahead, open them up. Let the people see what you're doing, man. Look, man, you gotta do it. Give me this. Cause your name look like you cheating. You can't open cards under the table. You doing a magic trick. People don't believe you then, man. So I'm gonna take the jokers out. That shuffle. There you go. All right, Benny, I'm ready.
So I had to put 21 cards in.
No. What are you doing? What's your trick?
Oh, I had to find your card.
All right, so I'm gonna pick a card. You're gonna tell me what card is mine.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
19, 20, 21.
So I picked one card out of 21 cards.
Yes. You had to shuffle them.
No, I just picked now.
Alright.
I've already shuffled them.
So choose this one.
Hold on, I gotta choose my own card.
Oh, choose.
What I got here. Then I'm just gonna throw it in there. No, gotta start over. Hold on, now don't put the jokers in. What you doing?
How do you do that?
Comes with skill, that comes with time. For being a professional card player like myself. You just looked at the cards, bro. All right, let's start over.
Blurry.
I'm blurry.
And cut off.
And
Well,
cut off.
It's cut off now.
Which is not blurry anymore. What about that?
Yeah, you
Okay.
can't see it.
Let's see something.
Now we can see it.
Now
See
you
your
can
whole
see-
head.
See my whole head. Since I'm talking so much trash, I'm gonna see if I can pull this trick off real quick. You're gonna pick a card, and I'm gonna tell you what your card is. Alright, so I'm gonna put down 21 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 21. Put the rest of the cards away. Pick a card, my brother.
Pick this one.
Pick it up so that they can see it. Oh, let me see it. Throw it back in the pile somewhere. Alright. Then I'm gonna shuffle them. That's pretty good for y'all. Shuffle. Alright. Alright, so make 3 piles. Tell me which pile your card is in. Alright, which pile was your card in?
First, you gotta guess.
No, I don't got. There's no point in me guessing. I'm just gonna tell you in the end. I ain't about the guessing games. I'm just gonna tell you in the end where your card is at. Alright?
Alright.
So now I'm gonna do it again. Alright, what pile's your card in there? In here. Alright. Do it one more time. Alright. Now, which pile? The middle again?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Oh no. Might have messed up. Is that your card?
Yes.
So you ready to try it?
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, cool. First time of doing that trick. Alright, Benny boy. Hold up, let me put your booster seat back up. Hold up. Man, you gotta learn how to shuffle, man. My little hands get stage fright when I'm on the camera, I guess. If the camera on, I'll be shuffling like behind my back, up my arms, and around my shoulder. Whirlwinding with the cards. Since I got the camera on, it's like, cards getting jammed and stuck on each other. Alright.
Now I gotta count out 21. 1, 2, 3, 21.
Alrighty.
Choose one.
Alright, I'm gonna just dig all up in here. Take this one. What is this? Alright.
So now I have to shuffle them up. Or at least try to shuffle them up.
Go ahead, do the best you can, bro.
Yeah.
Practice makes perfect.
Okay. What group was your card in?
In the middle.
Middle? Okay. So you just gotta do the same thing. What group?
Over here.
This one right.
Yep. Far right.
What group?
It's back in the middle.
Middle, okay. Grab this. Is this your card? Is it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah!
All right. It's the Ren and Stimpy shot.
I'm back.
Too young, you don't know who that is. I just taught Benny how to do the trick, and I actually just learned how to do the trick. So this is how you do that trick. So all right, so you shuffle your cards like I'm doing right now. You'll count out 21 cards. 1, 2, 3, 21. The rest of the cards, put them over to the side. So these cards right here, I'm gonna spread them out. Benny, pick out a card.
Alright, I see this card.
Show the camera your card. All right.
There we go.
You shuffle it again. The key to this trick is this. Make 3 piles. 1, 2, 3. So Benny, look for your card. Which pile is your card in?
This one.
Okay, so this is what you do. You take the pile that their card is in and you always put it in the middle. You sandwich it. So it's gonna always go in the middle. I'm gonna do it again. I'm not gonna shuffle. Again, Benny, look for your card. Alright, which pile?
This one.
Okay, so remember, in the middle. This is the third time, it's the last time we're gonna do this. Again, Benny, look for your card.
Okay.
When I'm done, tell me what pile it's in.
Middle.
The middle, okay. So we're gonna sandwich this for the last time. Now, this time, I'm gonna count. I'm gonna do my 3 piles, but when I get to 11, when I count to 11, that's gonna be his card. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Is that your card?
Yes.
And there you go. That's how you do that trick. That was really easy. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the post notification button, like, and tell us what else you want to see us do.
You guys